Haven't done abs in a while? Want to get started? This is the ab workout for you.
We're gonna work our abs.
Hey guys, I'm Brandon from GodBod, where we work your bod while focusing on God. This ab workout today is gonna hit those outer muscles that show, while also working out the core underneath. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna do 3 exercises, 3 rounds. Let's hit it. All right, guys. First exercise, the crunch. Remember, 90 degrees at your knees. Hands on the back of the head. Reach for those knees. Keep your lower back on the ground. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really contract. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, guys. Toe touches. Stay where you're at. Legs straight in the air. Arms like this. Reach for your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower back on the ground. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, guys, we're gonna finish off some planks. We're gonna flip around here. Put your elbows about shoulder width apart. Palms of your feet, back straight, looking ahead. Let's start it. 30 seconds. I'm gonna start the timer here. And go. Remember, you don't want to strain your neck, so you don't want to look too down or too up. Making sure you're breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Keeping that back straight, keeping that core engaged. Before you know it, you're gonna be looking pretty. Alright, keep it there, guys. 8 seconds left. And stop. Alright, we're gonna rest for about 45 seconds now before we hit the second round. Between rest here at GodBod, we like to do something a little different. Kind of like doing a power pose. You know, it really helps us feel victorious and confident. Because psychology, obviously, keeping us motivated for that next round. You can do whatever power pose you want, you know. Feel powerful, feel strong. You're new in Christ now, okay? Feel confident in yourself. Alright, 15 seconds left. Remember guys, work hard during this workout. The harder you work, the more the benefits. Alright, let's get ready for this next round. Crunches. Ready, set, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reach for those knees with those elbows. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Make sure you're breathing. 15. All right, guys, stay right there. Look, remember, toe touches. Let's hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, let's finish this round up with some planks. Alright, I'm gonna start the timer. Ready, set, go. Remember, keeping that head in a neutral position. We don't want to strain that neck. We want to make sure our core is tight. Balls of our feet, that's near the front. Feet are about shoulder width apart too. The more narrow the feet, the harder the exercise. So go wherever you feel like you're ready. Do it. Place that distance. Remember, keeping that back straight. We don't want no mountains or bridges. And rest. All right. You're almost done, guys. 2/3 of the way there. You can kick gluttony in the butt. Take that, gluttony. Take that, sloth. Sin. Anyways, today's verse, guys, we're gonna be putting it right here. Like I said, we like to focus on God when we work our bod. Work our bod while focusing on God. So, yeah, get your daily fill of encouragement. I don't even know if it'll be right here, but anyways. Remember, power poses. Feel confident. Believe in yourself. Gluttony, hiya! Alright guys, last round. Let's hit this. Go low and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hit those knees. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, guys, toe touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, and the last exercise. Give it all you got. Mental strength is key here. And go. Making yourself that much stronger. Guys, if this workout's hard for you, keep at it, you'll get better. It's all part of the process, right? Remember to breathe, keep focus, engage that core, we're using some shoulders, keep that back straight, don't let it move, and rest. Woo! All right, guys, question of the day. What exercise was hardest for you in that workout? Please let us know. I'll do my best to read all your comments and respond to them. And if you're new, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and that like. And remember, great workout today. Hope to see you guys next time. Yeah.
I think you lost steam there.
Yeah.